And drastic changes in the environment encourage a rapid spread of invasive species like the tiger mosquito and diseases like Zika and dengue fever. Fulltec is researching, developing and producing highly effective products. These are tested, registered and future-proof.
And offer reliable protection for every situation. Fulltec, the nature company.
Since the dawn of time, nature has provided us with the best substances to protect mankind from all sorts of unwanted and dangerous creatures. Ingredients retrieved from the lemon eucalyptus and the palmarosa grass are the solution. Scientists from around the globe keep testing and confirming their effectiveness in the laboratory and in the field. Super Verde! Creatures, you better watch out!
Fulltec, the nature company, your partner regarding organic biocidal agents and products. Use biocides safely. Always read the label and product information before use.